Okay, I'll just give a preview of what I've actually done. So I created a CV plant HTTP. First I dragged a Mara table. Okay, and I selected oranges. Okay, MNDT, MTR, MTR this thing, and then I renamed to P Mara. Then I selected MARC table and dragged here and gave like this plant. These are the four things that I have given, and then I renamed to PAMARC. After that, I joined this here, both of it. I dragged from here and dropped here. After that, now you get here, right? Now again you need to select, it will be in gray, you need to select in oranges here what are the things that you want to see in the table output. I'll show you. See what happens is this all gets selected in the output in the table columns you will see, and also these two things. Now where I dragged here, where here you get the properties. Normally when you drag, or you can see here, you if you select here, you will get here join, type of join, inner join. What join do you want to do? I did inner join. Okay, I joined these two tables. That means I create a table in a view where I see these columns and also these columns. So I just joined both of these tables. Now what happens is I selected these columns and I selected these two columns, and I did an inner join between both of it. Okay, this is the inner join. Next, then you need to from here you need to drag this to here. Then you will get a yellow color so you just need to right click and you need to select there will be a add to all outputs. Here you need to select add all outputs. Once you are done it, then you need to go and click the save and activate. This arrow mark is there, right? This is the save and activate, and then you need to go to the magnifying glass. When you go and must see the magnifying glass in raw data, you cannot find any normally. So go here, right click the semantics. The moment you get the semantics, you go here to the view properties. I changed it from default client, it was session client, I changed it to cross client, and then I changed the application privileges. It was like classical analytical, I just gave nothing. Okay, and I went back here. Okay, and then again I saved this and I saw the data preview. So when I see the data preview, okay, go here to the raw data. Now you can see the selected columns MANT. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just okay. Now this is the MTART, MTKL. These are the first table columns, and this is the second, which gave the column _1 and _1. It selected both those tables and it did such inner join thing. We look what is inner join. From till now you have understood. That's all.